Yeah, I can come on.
I think John and Abu both deserve a big hand for being right on time.
Thank you.
Bollywood's not going to be on time. So thank you guys for being on time.
You.
Okay, small introduction from me before we get on to questions. Let's begin. They once said fashion models can't act. That someone with an anglicized name like John Abraham could never be accepted in Bollywood. They also said Bollywood actors who are about star power and looking pretty, not known for their entrepreneurial skills or business acumen. Ladies and gentlemen, I am proud to place Ador. He's also a film producer who has had the guts to make offbeat, socially relevant cinema and has given opportunities to young directors and actors alike. What few know is that John is also a successful businessman, investing mostly in sports ventures like football and hockey, putting his money where his true passions lie. Sure, John Abraham is accused of objectifying the male form with a physique that everyone likes to see, sometimes feel and touch also. But in my opinion, one of John's biggest achievements is the inspiration he's provided to our entire generation of young boys to take fitness and make it a lifestyle. For a magazine that believes that fit is the new rich, it is an absolute honor to have John Abraham on the cover of our 101st issue. As you will go through the story, you will see that this is one of the most personal interviews you've ever read by a big Bollywood star. In fact, the uniqueness of the interview is that it has been written in the Dabu has shot the pictures of the cover and all of John's pictures in the magazine.
सबका टेबल double come.
Okay, the more noise we make today, the better it is.
Can I pull this more here and move that out so that we can stand on it?
So we'll move the table back here.
Yeah.
So when you have a press conference at a fancy restaurant like Olive, these are the things we live with. John and Dabu unveiling the cover of the 101st issue of Men's Health India. A little more whooping. Where are the bloggers? I'm actually very good bloggers. Maybe there'll be more noise if John actually takes his shirt off. Now looking back.
both of you left side.
Jamal, come. Come on, Jamal.
There will be more photo ops, but let's start the press conference. Let's shift the table
The
right.
fact that it's not been photoshopped. Yeah. That's the most important thing. But we insisted that it's not. So that was another precondition that Dabu and I had.
Right. So that's something I'm going to chat with you.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So since I'm on stage and I have the mic in my hand, I'm going to ask the first question. Let's just begin with a little bit of fun because I think we can do with a little bit of fun. So John, how does it feel like having the most famous backside in the country, right? And on behalf of all your fans, when do they get to see a peek of it again? I'm going to have to give you the mic.
Hi guys. Sorry.
Hello, hello, yeah. Hi guys, thanks for coming here and the backside makes me feel comfortable when I sit down, so it's good. It's like someone said, it's always good to work the lower part of your body as much as you work the upper part of your body, and I think I concentrate on that a lot. And that's why I think I've got a strong foundation, including a very strong posterior. When does one get to see that again? I think this year we've got a number of films that are happening, be it Force 2, be it Dishum with Varun and me. I think that one seems like where the biggest possibility of something happening is possible. So, really excited about working on projects. It's going to be a year full of projects where the body is showing.
Right.
It's going to be intense, a lot of fun, and great commercial cinema.
Right. Great. Thank you, John. A little more serious now. You wear many hats. You're first a big Bollywood star, then a producer, a sports entrepreneur, and a fitness icon. If I were to ask you to rank these 4 occupations in the order of what's closest to your heart, how would you number them?
I think being very clearly being an actor is closest to my heart, and that's my core. And I'd love to do films every year, many films every year, and different kinds of films. So that's always going to be my first love.
Yes.
The other parts, being an entrepreneur, being a producer, I think being a producer is as good as being an entrepreneur. And that comes second in my list. And of course, having a sports team is also inclusive of all that. But being an actor is most important, Jamal.
But fitness icon.
Oh yeah, of course. Fitness icon is something that's up there with being an actor, because I've always wanted to be fit irrespective of the fact that I'm an actor or no.
Right.
And that's what I believe, that everyone sitting out here should be fit irrespective of whether you have your shirt off or no. And I just think it's important to be fit 24/7. And by fitness, again, I don't mean only a six-pack, like I say be clean in your mind, clean in your body, clean in your soul, and clean in your actions. And I think you can get the best results.
Absolutely. I think one of the biggest messages John has sent out is how to be fit. Shot a great video for our TV show yesterday. Spent a few hours, inspired a young boy so much that he's been posting pictures on Facebook.
Yeah.
And I think that's going to inspire a lot of other people.
Rajat,
Dabu, I'm going to draw you into the discussion. What was the experience shooting John? How many women were present at the set, and what were their reactions like?
John and me go a long way back. I mean, he was junior to me in school, and I shot his first ever portfolio. So, yeah, we share a lot of memories from back then. And one thing with John and me is that every shoot that we've done, we've pushed ourselves to the next level. Whether it is a body shot, whether it is it was his portfolio and ad campaigns and everything. I think we've bettered ourselves and we've pushed ourselves, and this is the newest shoot. So I think it's our best work. And John called me and said that, I want to shoot these pictures. I mean, I said in less than 1 second, I said, of course I'll be there, and we did these pictures and this series of pictures where we did, the whole magazine is full of that. So it was great. It's always great fun and great energy, and very inspiring, because, he gives us so much tips about fitness while we are shooting, including Manisha and me both. And it's always great fun and great memories that we share in the shoot. So yeah, I really enjoyed doing this one, and I'm proud that it's here, and I'm here as well.
And let me tell you that it's been appreciated hugely. It's been a week since it's been on stand, and there are several big bookstores that have called for second supplies, and it's going out of stock. John himself was able to get a copy only 2 days ago,
Yeah.
and when I investigated trying to see why the stores in Bombay didn't have it, it's not like they weren't supplied; they were sold out. Right? So I hope you all got your copy, and make sure you take them home. Dabu, need to ask you one thing. A lot of magazines are accused of overusing Photoshop. How much is there any Photoshop in this, and how much is there?
There was no need to Photoshop except for get the color tones right for printing, because that's something that color profiles and all that we do for every single picture that goes out. There's absolutely no Photoshop. There was no need to do any Photoshop, because his body is looking really fab, and there was nothing to do. I mean, when we were shooting itself, we were looking at the raw pictures and saying, man, this can go into print straight away. So all we did was corrected the color profile, processed the raw file, and sent it to Jamal for printing.
So let me tell you that I second that completely. I first saw these pictures on a phone, not even on a computer, and they were ready to print. There was absolutely not a single bit of even touch-up required. Everything, all the time we spent on making that cover was really trying to get that silver in the background and trying to make the issue look special. But there's absolutely not even the slightest bit of Photoshop here.